On this episode of Yard and Shop, we visit Porter Pipe, one of Chicago's largest pipe wholesale distributors. With over 36 years of experience, they've earned their reputations as a leading wholesaler in the Chicagoland area. We go on a guided tour to see how they process their orders from beginning to end.
So I'm Andrew Peck. I am the Marketing and Training Coordinator at Porter Pipe & Supply. I've been with the company for 11 years. So we started in 1976. We were founded by Ralph Porter. Actually, our first location was less than a mile from here. And since we were founded 41 years ago, we've always been within 1 mile of that original home. This is our third facility. We moved in '96, about a block north of here. And in 2012, we moved into this facility. Our first facility was 8,000 square feet, and this facility is 330,000. So the process for placing an order with Porter Pipe, most orders are called in through the phone. They come in through our receptionist and are routed to our sales team. We also have our will call location here, Chicago, and in Hammond. It's then routed to our dispatch office, where they assign it to a truck, to a driver. We're running between 15 and 17 routes a day. So they're looking at the weight, the volume, the workload for that truck to make sure that we're hitting all the promised times. Once that order's been routed, it's then printed out, a packing slip. It goes out to our picking team in the warehouse, who we run 24 hours Monday through Friday. That order is picked, double-checked by a veteran team member, packed using our fast pack system, and then loaded on our truck for next day delivery. So once the orders are printed, they're sorted by route, and they're put out in a tray. Now we have an order manager that sorts them out, sets aside any special need orders, and he'll put them out one route at a time. This way we're focused on one truck, getting that truck loaded. This way if there is an issue with too much volume, we can identify it, get the orders appropriated to the right truck. Now once the order's been picked, it'll go over to our packing area where we utilize our fast pack system. So right now we're in our main packing area, and this is where we pack all of our palletized orders, and over there is where we pack all of our boxes and bad orders. So every order that is picked out of here, again, 400 to 500 orders every night, is double checked by a veteran team member. So FastPack stands for fast, accurate, safe, tailored. It's packaging that's focused on the customer and how they're going to unload and inventory their material. It's going to be easy to transport, safe to transport around the job site, and we can custom tailor it to their needs. So if they have any special requests, we will meet that request to, again, keep that customer satisfied and really speed up productivity on the job site. So while our pickers are filling all the standard material orders, our pipe team is also pulling all of the pipe and linear product to load on the trucks. Once everything's been picked at the end of the night and they've got everything set, the routes finalized, that's when they'll start loading everything onto the trucks. I mean, having over 40,000 different SKUs, we have a wide variety of different piping and piping materials. Standard is going to be carbon steel. We also stock stainless steel, well, different specialty alloys on that. Copper, plastic, we have the aluminum trans-air piping, sanitary piping. We recently got into the cast iron soil pipe, as well as the SDR and sewer and drain pipe, polypropylene, as well as different strut, threaded rod, structural steel, wide variety. And with our network of vendor partners, we can really source almost anything same day. We're able to really cover a lot of those back orders, keep that productivity moving. And we have one of the largest facilities out of any supplier. To be able to have this volume of pipe in our facility really helps make sure that we're going to have the product in stock that the customers need when they need it. So one of the really unique ways that we maximize our drivers is by having them pick up from our vendors every day. So the first half of their day mostly is spent making the deliveries of the orders. The second half is spent hitting all of the local vendors, doing pickups and bringing that material in. It's all received in right away and then put on the shelf available to sell. And that's what really allows us to keep such a high fill rate for our customers.
This episode was brought to you by DeWalt.
Click to subscribe and see more at builtworlds.com.